Halloween is in 3 days, right?
Yeah.
We need some kind of promotion or video for Halloween.
Yes.
We have 3 days left. And
3 days.
3 days right.
we have 3 days left.
Look, we need to film some promotion, but we need to make it interesting. Me and you filmed this promotion like what, 6 years ago? Not promotion, video, which was Halloween themed, and it was like zombies and stuff.
Yeah. It was good.
It was good.
So
But
why don't we?
We need something similar, but not exactly the same. Something more updated with us.
Why don't we film a similar video, like a horror type Halloween zombie video, when, for example, you are here in a shop, last customers are leaving, you close the shop, and then something spooky happening.
Like what? See you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, yes. Finally. No, I think it's good, but we need something funnier.
Maybe Boogie could be a ghost, like bare naked, just with like a sheet.
But how will people know that he's naked?
They just assume
No. We just gonna cut hole in
Ah, so they can see.
and do a big blur.
No,
big blur.
like on the ass cheeks, you know.
I thought we're gonna come up with some like ideas here, guys.
Ideas.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, Sam had the idea, but
Right,
that was
now,
my idea, why not?
right now we have like naked back cheeks, but
Butt cheeks. Yeah, we have
naked back cheeks, yes,
Yeah,
and PP, and zombie.
yeah. Which is what?
That's
Jesus.
pretty decent.
Halloween mood.
Do you have any better idea?
Yes.
What?
You're gonna walk from your car, from your 𝐍𝐈𝐆𝐇𝐓𝐑𝐈𝐃𝐄
It's GX.
and you're gonna turn around and it's gonna be white Audi.
Ooh.
That's your idea for.
Halloween. Yes, that's the scariest thing I can imagine.
Can you imagine?
That's how it
I mean,
happened to you.
It would be scary if we would take it extra step, and for example, I would look back and there's Audi. But then I would just keep walking. It would be just a spooky Audi. Spooky Audi joke.
Audi jokes are good.
But we cannot do too much Audi jokes.
I mean-
Maximum Audi jokes for the views.
I mean, need to be spooky.
Okay,
yeah?
it needs to be with someone everyone's fears. So for you, it's fear of Audi.
Yeah.
With fear.
Yes.
Okay. So like, how about?
What is your biggest fear?
Can you imagine like I go to my RX-7? And it actually starts. Yeah, that would be fucking scary, man.
That'll be scary shit. You cannot have a car with the
No.
working.
That'll be dumb. No,
Don't.
Spooky.
no that's dumb.
Spooky.
It's done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Halloween. Blair Witch Project.
Yes.
Me and Boogie.
What is?
Camcorder
Camcorder.
What this?
in the middle of the forest.
Yo guys, today we have idea to go mushroom picking at night with only flashlight.
And it's
that-
Halloween actually, it's 3 a.m.
Yeah.
That would be nice.
And the camera, all the light we have is what we see through the camcorder with the night vision on it.
No, we'll have small battery. Kurwa.
For Mogic?
Yes, small battery headlight? No.
A flashlight.
Flashlight.
Not flashlight.
Flashlight.
Not flashlight.
Flashlight.
What is flashlight?
Flashlight?
No,
is,
don't worry.
Fucky Saki 3000. This is flashlight.
It's way harder and it's a bit scary. It's 3 a.m. Let's maybe try to.
What was that?
I don't know.
What was that?
Probably some animals. No, just
Yeah,
you know,
man.
at night your brain is just tricking you.
Yeah, let's look for some mushrooms.
Yeah. We have nothing right now.
But yeah, we're gonna find some. I'm pretty sure we will.
It's hard because of the mix. That wasn't animal. No
Maybe
way.
someone's following us.
No fucking way.
Nah, I'm kind of scared now.
Let's just maybe go home.
Let's go back, maybe.
Yeah.
It's very scary.
Leave my mushroom! Leave me my mushroom!
I'm running away. Fuck this, man. Fuck this Halloween scary shit.
No,
My biggest fear is dying skinny.
dying skinny. I'm gonna die skinny.
So maybe we could film something with you in a gym or something. Something like you being super skinny or like.
How do you wanna film him?
I don't know.
It needs to be possible to.
Or maybe I will not be able to lift something from the
Yeah,
ground.
5 kilograms.
Wait, is that your biggest fear? That you cannot wait?
Yeah, dying skinny.
O nie!
Samuel, to dzisiaj...
To może to nagrać też.
Czekaj, bo to...
Najgorszy kameraman.
Nagraj to. No, you can film right now.
That's actually my biggest fear. We need to film a video and only available cameraman is Buba.
No, okay. My biggest fear is dying skinny and not be able to lift 5 kilograms from the ground.
Okay, how about we film a video where I'm standing. What a surprise! And there's no more sandpaper.
No, let's compare all this idea. We are at night with night vision. There is Audi hunting us in a forest, and I'm not able to lift something from the ground.
And it
Buba
has an
And
engine!
Buba is filming this, and you are standing at
A tree!
a tree.
Or a deer penis.
You heard it?
Yeah,
That's nice.
it's hard to film though.
It's not.
He will not film it. He will cut it out. The sound flipping cuts everything out. That's funny.
Okay, do you have any ideas?
Yes.
Okay, look. How about we play with Adam's fear as well?
Adam.
Yeah. Because imagine Adam comes into garage. I know another one.
Maybe something about raising the car.
I was about to say that. I was about to say, I have written an idea how we are just starting a normal NIGHTRIDE video. Yeah?
Yes.
And you're like, hello guys, good morning, everything. Today, we are raising the JZX because it's too low.
I don't want to show this to people.
So that's all we have. That's all my ideas.
We have 3 days,
2.
5 shit ideas.
7.
And this video is very awkward.
Awkward.
Look,
I'm your father.
let's just. Look, let's just don't do any film, any video promotion because we are shit at this. Let's just say to the camera that there is a special Halloween drop. No, it's not a drop.
Good one,
What we gonna drop?
Dropping your ass like it's low.
Okay, you say it, Mister. I am the best at talking to
Mr.
the camera. You say
America.
it. You say it. One shot. One thing.
Everything on our website is between 10 and 25, 30,000% off. Boogie just sorted that out. Now go on the website until the end of Christmas, New Year. Nice one.
Also, too close. Unless you want to Okay. This video wouldn't.
Listen, just go on the website and have a look at it.
Help me.
Wali mi ga bola.
Tak, skończmy już to.
I